Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another wig installation video. I'm a little nervous about this video, I'm not going to lie, because this is a very different style of wig. I remember when they reached out to me and I looked at the wig in itself and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is different. It's good, but it's different and you got to do it a certain way, y'all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video because I don't want to waste no time. No time whatsoever, y'all. Let me get my little handy dandy scissors and cut right into the box. I hope that y'all are having a great day. Today is Friday and I have so many things planned for this weekend, starting with installing this wig. So the company that sent me the wig is Her Given Hair. I have actually worked with them before and I love the wig that I was sent before, so I know that the quality and like overall is going to be good, but it's just a matter of your girl rising to the wig occasion. So we're going to go ahead and take all of this out and make sure, y'all, they said nobody is getting in between this box except for the designated owner. So this is how it looks. Really, really cute. Y'all be loving my box. I'll be like, let me use this to package more gifts, but then somebody gonna receive that gift and be like, Her Given Hair, and open it up and see some socks. But super cute, y'all. Showing you all of the details of the box. Now this photo right here is giving. It's giving. Now that's not how my wig looks, but it's giving for sure. And then of course I have a nice little drawstring wig bag, but that's pretty much everything that is on the inside. So we're going to get right into it. There is an actual strap, which, oh, and there's a comb, which I needed this, y'all. I needed this. I'm trying to have, y'all, I'm trying to have all of my essentials in every single bathroom, because one thing I hate is starting to do my get ready with me and I gotta go up and down the stairs this way. So I want the girls to have all of the combs, all of their products, all of the everything that they need in their bathroom. I want to have everything I need. This is my beauty closet room, so this room should hold the most items, but then sometimes I want to get ready downstairs and I want to have to run up here, so I have a drawer down there for combs and stuff like that. So I needed, when I stole the girls' comb, I'm gonna put this back, and now I got my own for this room, so thank you, Her Given Hair. We here. But without further ado, let's look at the wig, because it's not the texture that I'm afraid of, it's the concept of the wig. And let me explain it to you, but y'all probably gonna have to see it, because explaining it, it's just not gonna give it any justice. Y'all probably gonna be looking like how I was looking when I read it. So this is a non-leave-out wig. First thing you're gonna do is prep your hair. So it is a no leave out or mini leave out parting line. Okay, y'all, so I have put the wig on my head and I wanted to come back and actually show y'all where the clips are. As you can see, these are the clips right here. And y'all hear that? My dog don't know that. They're sensing that he's breaking glass down there. That's how crazy he is. And I'm literally going in the braid as close as I possibly can. And I'm going to clamp the wig down. So, and I'm gonna tease it up a little bit, and then I'm going to, because right here, hold on, I need to make sure, because there's like several clamps, y'all, right here. So this side is like easily clamped on, where you can't literally see anything that it has going on. Now I'm going to, you gotta make sure like there's no gap. So I'm gonna take the clamp again and I'm going to clamp, hold on y'all, clamp it down. Hold on, it's not clamped on the second one. Let me do that one first. Okay, clamp that one. Okay, now it's clamped. And then clamp. Okay, hold on. Okay, I finally, y'all heard that clip, or the clamp noise rather, and everything is officially clamped in. I'm going to, I had to like wash all the product off my edges because I wanted it to be like really, really natural. And this is literally with no leave out. Literally with no leave out. Now, I did tuck some behind my ear, but you all don't have to do that. You can do whatever you want to do, like how you want to style it. But I kind of just wanted, I just liked it like that a little bit. So I just kind of like pressed it like this and like put it behind my ear. Then you're gonna do that. Then you can just like fluff it out with your fingers. Hold that part down. And then come over here on this side and fluff this out with your fingers. Like so. Just pull it down. And this is just so I won't mistakenly pull the other side up. So I'm trying to just hold it down while I pull this side. Like, do you see this wig and how seamless it just blended in with a whole full braid down? What wig do you have that can do that? I'll wait. I'll wait. Because this wig right here, it gathered me all the way together. Like, it's literally right here and you cannot tell whatsoever. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Like, do you see this clip in the braid down? Like, all you have to do is snap it into place. What wig do you know is doing that? Like, I absolutely love this wig. Like, it's so freaking pretty. And so there's a hole, but I really do like this. Like, it looks really, really pretty. It's very seamless. So if y'all love this wig, and I do love this wig, then make sure you thumbs up this video and leave me a comment below. And head on over to my description box because I'm going to have a link to go and purchase this specific wig that I have on. And then see all the other wigs and hair products and everything on their site. So you guys can just check them out because your girl, I'm going to be rocking this do, y'all. I love y'all so much and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.